You've got LoRa set up. QLoRa is humming on your RTX 4090. You fire up training and the model outputs garbage worse than the base model. 3 days of training completely wasted. The model isn't broken. Your data is. Fine-tuning is 20% code and 80% data. Today we're covering the 3 dominant data formats, how to clean your dataset aggressively, and when synthetic data can save you. This is episode 46 of our 98-part AI engineering series. Let's start with the 3 data formats every fine-tuning framework expects. First up, Alpaca format. It's the OG, 3 fields, instruction, input, and output. Simple, clean, and best for single-turn instruction-following tasks. Second is ShareGPT format, named after the now-defunct site where people shared ChatGPT conversations. It uses a conversations array with human and GPT turns. This is your go-to for multi-turn chat models and conversational assistants. Third, and most important, the chat template or messages format. It's aligned with OpenAI's message structure, system, user, and assistant roles. Use this one unless you have a specific reason not to. It works with virtually every modern framework. Now here's the data that will change how you think about fine-tuning. The LIMA paper showed that just 1,000 carefully curated examples can rival models trained on 50,000+ examples. Why? Because fine-tuning isn't teaching new knowledge, it's teaching behavior. Every example in your dataset should pass this quality checklist. Is the output what an expert would write? Is the instruction clear and unambiguous? Is the output the right length? Does it handle edge cases? If any answer is no, remove it or fix it. Raw data is always dirty. You'll find duplicates, inconsistent formatting, hallucinated content, and examples that are way too long or way too short. Here's the uncomfortable truth. A typical cleaning pipeline removes 20 to 40% of raw data. That's normal. That's good. But what if you don't have enough data? You need 1,000 expert examples, but only have 50. Enter synthetic data generation. The process: write 50 seed examples by hand at the highest quality possible. Use GPT-4 or to generate variations, then human review everything. Critical rules for synthetic data: always review what's generated because GPT-4 makes mistakes. Use diverse prompts. Don't generate 1,000 examples from one template. And a 70% synthetic, 30% real mix often performs best. How much data do you actually need? For simple style or format changes, 50 to 200 examples. Domain-specific tasks need 500 to 2,000. Complex reasoning or coding tasks need 2,000 to 10,000. And remember, doubling data quality has 5 to 10 times the impact of doubling data quantity. Finally, structure your dataset for production. Train.jsonl for 90% of your data, .jsonl for 10% held out, a metadata JSON file, and a README. Always have and split. Without it, you cannot detect. Let's recap. Quality beats quantity always. Use the messages format. Clean aggressively. Removing 30% of your data often improves results. Synthetic data works but needs human review. And always hold out 10% for evaluation. Next episode: how to actually evaluate your fine-tuned model.